guys, and today we'll be talking about a very important topic, that is anxiety. How to deal with anxiety और पूरी की पूरी anxiety की cycle कि कैसे anxiety होती है और कभी कभी कैसा ऐसा होता है कि हमें reasons known नहीं होते हैं anxiety के. मतलब अचानक से we are happy and we are laughing and suddenly कुछ हो जाता है, हमें पिछली याद आने लगती है and we are like we go into this hole of सैडनेस अगेन. सो ये क्या है, ये क्यों आता है, और अगर हमारे पास रीजंस है तो उसे टैकल कैसे करें और इस सब से बाहर कैसे निकले. तो आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू थ्रू ऑल दिस. सो कीप स्माइलिंग एंड सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द साइकिल. अब काफ़ी बार क्या होता है ना कि हमें लगता है कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं तो उससे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. जैसे कि यू गॉट इनटू फाइट विद समवन और उसने कुछ भला बुरा कह दिया आपको, तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यार कुछ नहीं हुआ, ये तो हो जाएगा. पर बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये आपके चलते रहता है हमेशा. जैसे कि आप किसी के साथ कंपैरिजन कर रहे हो या किसी के साथ जेलसी है, ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो होती है वो हमारे दिमाग में कॉन्स्टेंटली बैक ऑफ द माइंड चलती रहती है. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ नहीं होता है, बट ये एंजाइटी के रूप में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है जब हम उसे टैकल नहीं करते हैं, जब हम उसे प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं देते. कि व्हेन यू डोंट सॉल्व देम then they keep on building up in your head and then just boom, you go into the anxiety. बट टेंशन लेने की कोई बात नहीं है क्योंकि आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू आउट ऑफ दिस, सो डोंट वरी. तो अगर मुझे आपको ये एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे बताना है ना कि ये एग्जैक्टली क्या है, तो मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. सो रिसेंटली मैंने एक रील देखी थी. तो आई एम नॉट दिस जेन पर्सन और साधु संत की मुझे ऐसे आकाशवाणी हो जाए कि या ये सब है. आई डू रिसर्च, माई ओन रिसर्च, एंड आई एम समवन हु लाइक्स टू हील माई सेल्फ, टू टेक सेल्फ थेरेपी, which is like solving your own problems. Obviously I take help of ChatGPT also sometimes. That on that topic we are going to discuss, but not now, later on. So the reel was like कि एक टीचर है और एक स्टूडेंट है. तो टीचर एक फूल देता है अपने स्टूडेंट्स के हाथ में और वो कहते हैं कि अगर मैं ये फूल आपको 1 घंटा पकड़ाऊँ, आपको ऐसे पकड़ना है, ओके, तो क्या होगा. तो स्टूडेंट से इसके ऑब्वियसली हमारा हाथ दर्द करने लगेगा. ही इज़ लाइक ओके, तो मैं अगर आपको पूरा दिन ये फूल दूँ तो क्या होगा. तो ऑब्वियसली द स्टूडेंट से इसकी हमारा हाथ काम करना बंद कर देगा क्योंकि पूरे दिन ऐसे खड़े रहना तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ गोइंग टू एक. सो स्टोरी का मतलब ये है, मतलब स्टेप वाइज था, मैं आपको शॉर्ट में बता रही हूँ कि फूल जो एक वेटलेस थिंग है उसको पकड़, अगर थोड़ी देर हम पकड़े तो कुछ नहीं होता है, इट डज नॉट अफेक्ट यू. बट अगर आपको मैं कहूँ कि आपको ये पूरा दिन पकड़ना है ऐसे, तो आपका हाथ काम करना बंद कर सकता है, इतना वेट उसका हो सकता है. सो द टीचर इज लाइक कि तू सब फूल पकड़ के आपका अगर हाथ काम करना बंद कर देगा, सो जस्ट इमेजिन यू कैरी योर इमोशंस फॉर द एंटायर लाइफ स्पैन. जस्ट इमेजिन कि आपके दिमाग की क्या हालत हो रही होगी. एंड जस्ट हिट मी लाइक क्योंकि इट इज़ सो राइट. मतलब इमोशंस का भी वेट कुछ भी नहीं है, बट वी कैरी इट थ्रू आउट द लाइफ. लाइक किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, काफ़ी साल हो गए, मतलब बचपन में किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, हम अभी तक कैरी कर रहे हैं. इट डजंट मेक सेंस. हमारी लाइफ चली जाती है थिंक करते करते और इसका अफेक्ट इतना होता है हमारे दिमाग पे, हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है. सो या दैट इज़ वॉट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. एक शैडो थेरेपी करके भी कुछ तो है. मतलब व्हेन आई वाज रीडिंग वन बुक ऑफ टैम कॉर विच आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, उसमें she was talking about shadow theory or child theory, I don't remember, but it is known as shadow theory, wherein you go through your childhood emotions. मतलब you kind of speak with your childhood version it in the form of writing. Like you have to ask yourself the question. For example, आपको किसी बात से डर लग रहा है childhood से, तो उसका root cause क्या है. तो आपको you have to just recall your childhood memories, what this thing led you to, and ये सब करना है. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज शैडो थ्योरी और समथिंग. मैं इसके बारे में ज़रूर बात करूँगी, बट नॉट इन दिस वीडियो, इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बट आई थॉट ऑफ जस्ट रिलेटिंग इट क्योंकि एंजाइटी भी काफ़ी लोगों को इस वजह से होती है. ट्रस्ट इश्यूज़ होते हैं लोगों को क्योंकि their childhood version have faced something, so they are just stuck in this loop of not trusting people because of that. So yeah, second point is stop fighting with your emotions. हम इतना खुद को कोसते हैं ना whenever we feel bad about something or we are in anxiety or depression. हमें जल्द से जल्द बाहर तो निकलना है, which is a good thing. But काफ़ी बार indirectly we start traumatizing ourselves or we start blaming ourselves for being in that condition, which is so damn wrong. Like respect yourself when you are in this. Like the way you would respect others emotion. If you have this friend who's in anxiety, how you would treat her, like in the same way you have to treat yourself. First thing is, don't try to label them as bad thing. They're not bad thing, okay? This is a part of your life. You are going to get speed breakers in your life the way you get speed breakers during your road journey. So it is a very normal thing. Don't label them as bad thing. They are not bad thing. They're just normal thing, and you have to deal with them with normal steps. Second thing is, try to find out root cause instead of just wandering around. Like, okay, this is the particular thing is happening. Why it is happening? Just go down and just research on it. This is known as self theory. You have to find out the reason. और किसी वजह से, let's say you can't do that, then you always have ChatGPT for the help. You just, what you have to do is, you just have to tell your problem and just ask the ChatGPT why I am facing this. Ask me certain questions and just help me to find out the root cause, and it will help you. Why the hell we have AI, ChatGPT? Just make use of them. Now let me tell you what is the reason of your anxiety, sadness, or fear, or whatever things you have. So for anxiety, it is because you have fear of something. Sadness because you're missing someone, and anger is because of the frustration. Now frustration might be because of the lack of the work or unaccomplished goals or whatever it might be, but it is because of that. Now if you know this, then it is your duty to not suppress it but actually take action on it. So this leads to our third point, release, don't suppress. Now इसमें ना क्या आता है कि you just don't have to suppress, you have to work on it. Now how you work on it? As I told you, the first thing is ChatGPT. ChatGPT इतना ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है आपके एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन और काफ़ी सारे प्रॉब्लम्स में, बट वी नेवर यूज़ इट. वी यूज़ इट फॉर stupid things. Anyways, so ChatGPT को जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि you just have to type the problem, and if you have to find the root cause, then you just go for it. I won't say कि आपको पूरा डिपेंडेंट रहना है ChatGPT पे, क्योंकि it is not a good thing. मतलब अगर भगवान ना करे बट ChatGPT बंद हो गया इन केस, तो आप क्या करेंगे? सो आपको खुद पे डिपेंड रहना है. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें अगर आप नहीं फिगर आउट कर पाते हो तो यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर इट. मेक श्योर कि यू आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन योर सेल्फ, नॉट ChatGPT. टेक अ पेन एंड पेपर एंड राइट डाउन एवरीथिंग यू आर फीलिंग, और उसके हिसाब से आस्क योर सेल्फ क्वेश्चंस. इफ यू आर अनेबल टू फाइंड देम, देन you can take help of your friend, or you can go with the ChatGPT thing. Now nowadays what happens is, you can't trust with friends also, and there are a lot of people who don't have friends. So it is okay, it is completely okay. You have got ChatGPT and other YouTubers to help you. So take help. There is full help available outside there in this whole world of AI and ChatGPT. You just have to grab it and use it for yourself. Okay, so yeah, इसमें सब कुछ यही points आते हैं कि first is journaling, which I tell you always, journaling is the best thing. And there are a lot of friends of mine who first did not take me seriously when I told them about journaling, but now they have started writing, actually started journaling, and I'm very happy for them. Then there is talking to someone. It always helps. If you really have someone who listens to you, then let it be your family or your friends or sister, brother, whoever. Just rant, okay? Tell them everything, the problem, how you feel, what you want from them, and just tell them. If you want solution, ask them solution. If you want just them to listen to you, ask them that. They are not antarnyani, they will not understand what you want. So just tell them what you want, okay? And don't be angry, because already you are in anxiety, you are in depression, you are already sad. Don't make yourself more sad by saying, okay, they don't know what I want and this and that. No. Then there is self-talk. You can talk with yourself. I do it often. Like I stand in front of mirror and I talk, or I sit on the bed and I just rant, randomly without thinking what my neighbors would think. I don't care. I just speak with myself, and it is completely normal. You just start doing it. That is the best feeling. Like I kid you not, before I was very shy to speak out loud, and I would always think that what my neighbors would think and what this would happen. And now I make videos with such a loud noise without caring of neighbors and whoever listens to me. okay, fine, I don't care, okay. But just express yourself, talk with yourself, and that is the best thing, okay. You can also video record yourself. I have this thing, what I do is I do video journaling, so I just shoot myself and save that thing. So it is the best thing and I just love doing it. And if you are someone who likes to speak more than writing, you can go for video journaling. This is the best thing. You just have to speak and you just have to express yourself, and once you do that, that is the best thing. Just clock this thing. Then there is obviously crying. Cry out if that is something which makes you feel free. Cry your heart out. Don't feel ashamed, don't feel anything. I'm someone, if I'm comfortable with someone, I would cry. I would cry loudly. I don't care what the other person thinks, and obviously I cry because I trust that person. So I am speaking, I'm crying, I don't care, but I just want myself to feel free. And that is exactly what you should do. If you're not comfortable crying in front of someone, you can just close the door and cry, and relax yourself, make yourself free. And crying is also counted as therapy. And let me tell you one more thing. Unexpressed emotions, they do not get suppressed, they show up as anxiety. So always remember this. So आपको जो भी मन कर रहा है ना वो करो, पर आपके अंदर की जो भड़ास है ना उसे निकालो. You have to do is talk with your friends, talk with your family if your family is comfortable with listening to you. Cry out if you can, क्योंकि crying is the best thing you can do. Go with the ChatGPT help. Tell someone, let it out guys, you have to do this. अगर आप ऐसे अंदर दबा के रखेंगे तो it is going to harm you, okay. So just let it out and be free, okay, for God's sake. Fourth thing is get out. Not from my video, my joke. Anyways, but get out, what I mean is आपको घर से बाहर निकलना है, या ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट से जिसकी वजह से यू हैव गॉट दिस एंजाइटी. जस्ट गेट आउट. कभी कभी सिंपल वॉक या गोइंग ऑन सोलो डेट या गोइंग टू योर फेवरेट प्लेस जस्ट चेंजेस योर माइंड. सो अगर आपको ऐसी चीज़ें करने से अच्छा लग रहा है तो you can go for it. Go out, go for walk, go for anything you like. Go for bungee jumping, go for skydiving, anything you like, but just go out and enjoy yourself. One more thing which helps in anxiety is going for workshops. There are so many pottery workshops, painting workshops, workshops, but you can just go out there and you can just enjoy, just forget about, we are not forgetting, but we are changing slowly. And I'm not saying कि अगर आपने solution ढूंढ लिया तो झटाक से you will be like okay let's party and this and that. No, it takes time to heal, so give yourself that time. Fifth point is stop overthinking. अब क्या होता है, कई बार overthinking anxiety को बहुत lead करती है, and especially girls. I know girls, you overthink a lot because I do the same thing. But I have stopped overthinking क्योंकि I read a lot, if you know me. So after reading certain books, I have got one thing that you start overthinking certain things because you go with the flow, you go with the thought. You are the driver of that thought, and that leads you to the overthinking. So what you can do is, whenever you feel like you are going to fall into this overthinking loop, stop yourself. Don't go with that thought. Don't allow yourself to dive in that hole again. Just tell yourself, okay, I'm overthinking, I need to snap myself out of this, and just take yourself out of it. Just stop it, pinch yourself, do whatever you can, but don't do it, okay. और especially when you are in depression, anxiety, क्या होता है ना कि एक चीज़ होती है विच इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल, बट हम एक फिक्शनल स्टोरी बना देते हैं, एंड इट इज़ सो, क्योंकि आई नो आई कैन रिलेट यू. मैं भी ऐसा ही करती हूँ रादर, क्योंकि मैं रोबोट नहीं हूँ. और मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताऊँ कि दुनिया का सबसे फेमस इंसान भी एंजाइटी डिप्रेशन का शिकार है, एंड इट इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल. यू डोंट हैव टू फील guilty for it, you don't have to suppress anything, you just have to accept it and find the root cause, and you have to find the route to get out of it, okay. You don't have to worry. So even if I'm giving you lecture now right now on anxiety and thing, but obviously I go through the same thing, so it is very normal, don't worry. और ये सबके साथ होता है. You just need to find out your own way to get out of it, okay. That is the only thing. सो ओवर थिंकिंग का ऐसा है कि वेन एवर यू आर इन एंजाइटी, जो भी आपके दिमाग में आए, जो भी फिक्शनल स्टोरी आपको लगे, उस पे बिलीव मत करना, क्योंकि दैट इज जस्ट फिक्शनल स्टोरी. आपका माइंड फिक्शनल स्टोरीज बना रहा है क्योंकि यू आर इन नेगेटिव स्पॉट राइट नाउ, एंड आपको यही करना है कि आपको ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है. यू जस्ट हैव टू टेल योर सेल्फ दैट ओके, I am not in a right position right now, and that is the reason my mind is making fictional stories on which I don't have to believe. That's it, and that is how you get out of it. And with this, I would like to end my video. And whosoever is going through this phase, I hope you get out of this situation, and I hope my video helps you out. Just follow the steps, and love you a lot. Bye bye. See ya in the next one.